Hi everyone, we are here for grade 2 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 2 math, and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter subtraction one digit. We are going to start with the lesson pictures. Let's just start with the lesson. So you need to count the pans, all the pans, then you need to count the ones that are crossed out. So in total we have the 11 pans, 8 of them are crossed out. You need to count the ones that are not crossed. So 11 take away 8 is 3. The correct option is. Let's just start with the test questions. So the total pans are 11. 8 of them are crossed out. So 11 take away 8 is. You need to count the ones that are not crossed. So 3 of them are not crossed. So 11 take away 8 is 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. 14, 10. So the ones that are not crossed out are 1, 2, 3, 4. So option number 1 is the correct option. 4 it is. So 17 take away 8 is. Just count the pieces of the cakes that are not crossed out. So you are left with 9. Option number 3 is the correct option. 13 take away 3 is. 10 it is. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 10. 16 take away 8 is. Yes, it is 8. Option number 3 is the correct option. 12 take away 2 is 10. It is option number 3 is the correct option, that is 10. Ten take away 9 is 1. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself. Later today, let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is subtraction sentence to discuss up to 18. Write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. Now we need to count them all together, then we need to count the crossed one, and then we need to count the ones that are not crossed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that is 14 of the total. In total, they are 14, right? And the ones that are crossed is 5. So 14 take away 5, and the ones that are not crossed out is 9. So 14 take away 5 is 9. 14 take away 5 is 9. Let's just start with the test questions. That's the one we just did on the tutorial. So that is 14 take away 5 is 9. Option number 1 is the correct option. Write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That is 11 take away 3 is 8. Option number 1 is the correct option. Write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that is 13 take away 6 is 7. Option number 3 is the correct option. Write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. That is 12 take away 5 is 7. Option number 2 is the correct option. Write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. One, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 14 take away 8 is 6. Option number 1 is the correct option. Write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 14 take away 6 is 8. Write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. 11 take away 9 is 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. Write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. Ten take away 5 is 5. Option number 3 is the correct option. Write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. Eleven take away 4 is 7. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Subtract. Eight, 8 take away 8. Subtracting a number from itself always makes a 0. 8 take away 8 is 0. 8 take away 8 is 0. That is 8 take away 8 is 0. Let's just start with the test questions. Eight take away eight is 0. Option number 1 is the correct option. Four take away 4 is 0. Subtracting a number from itself always makes a 0. Whatever number it is, the answer is 0. 2 take away 0. 2 take away 0 is 2. Option number 2 is the correct option. 6 take away 0 is 6 take away 0 is 6. Option number 2 is the correct option. Ten take away 10 is 10 take away 10 is 0. Option number 3 is the correct option. Seven take away 0 is 7. It is option number 2 is the correct option. One take away 1 is 0. It is 1 take away 1 is 0. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just. The next lesson is complete the subtraction up to 18. Let's just start with the lesson. Seventeen take away the missing number. So how do we find the missing number? We need to subtract 9 both sides. So 17 minus the missing number equals 9, right? So we need to subtract 9 both sides because we need to find a smaller number. You always subtract a smaller number out of the greater one. 17 take away 9 equals 9 minus 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. So 17 minus 9 is 8. So that means the missing number is 8. Let's just start with the test questions. Fill in the missing number. 17 minus missing number equals 9. Seventeen minus the missing number is 9. So you need to subtract 9 both sides. So 17 take away 8 is 9. The correct option is 8. The missing number minus 4 is 10. So the important thing you need to learn here is you always subtract a smaller number out of the greater one, right? Here in this question, you are given the smaller number, the greater one is missing, right? So when you have to find a greater number, how do we find that is missing number? Hold on. Okay, the missing number minus 4 equals the missing number minus 4 equals 14. So when the greater number is missing, you need to subtract the given number. Like here you are given the smaller number. You need to add the smaller number both sides, right? So 14 plus 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. So 14 plus 4 is 18. So that means the greater number is 18. The correct option is 18. Option number 2 is the correct option, that is 18. Fill in the missing number. 15 minus the missing number equals 7. Okay, 15 minus missing number equals 7. 15 minus missing number equals 7. Now the smaller number is missing. You always subtract a smaller number out of the greater one, so the smaller number is missing. So when the smaller number is missing, you need to subtract the number on the other side from the both sides. So you need to subtract 7 both sides, right? So 7 minus 7 is 0 and 15 minus 7 is 8. 8 minus the missing number. So 8 minus 8 is 0. That means the missing number is 8 because you always subtract a number from itself to make 0, right? So the missing number is 8. Got it? So the missing number is 8. Fill in the missing number. Now you need to find a greater number, right? So when you need to find a greater number, you need to add missing number minus 5 equals 7. Missing number minus 5 equals 7. Now we need to find the greater number, right? So you need to add the smaller number both sides. So just add the smaller number both sides. 5 minus 5 is 0. So 7 plus 5 is 12. The correct option is 12. That is 12 option number. 2 is 3 is the correct option. 12 it is. Fill in the missing number. Though so the smaller number is missing. You need to subtract and given number on the other side from both sides. So 16 minus 14 is 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. Fill in the missing number. 14 minus missing number equals 8. That is 14 minus 6 equals 8. The correct option is 6. Option 2 is the correct option. Fill in the missing number. The missing number minus 6 equals 10. Sixteen minus 6 equals 10. Option number 4 is the correct option. Fill in the missing number. So which number is missing? That is 12 take away 7 equals 5. Option number 1 is the correct option. 18 minus missing number equals 16. So which number is missing? That is 18 take away 2 is 16. Option number 2 is the correct option. Fill in the missing number. 12 minus what number equals 4? 12 minus 8 is 4. The correct option is 8. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 2 math. Chapter we were working on is subtraction one digit. The lessons we have covered today are subtract, describe pictures up to 18, subtract 0 or all, and then complete sentences up to 18. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write them down in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So you can please write down the questions in the chat box if you have any. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.